Hey everyone, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Woodworks, and today we're going to be building a custom set of dog stairs. Let's get to it. I'm using 5/4 S4S poplar that I got at the local lumberyard for these stairs. As with each project, I start by doing a rough measure and then break down the lumber into more manageable sizes on the miter saw. Once I have all the pieces broken down, I rip the boards to their final width. Then it's back to the assembly table to mark all the boards to their final length, and then take them to the table saw for final dimensioning. I mark up each of the 3 pieces that make up the side panels for biscuits, then use the biscuit joiner to make the slots. Next, it's time to glue up the side panels using size 10 biscuits, glue, and some clamps to keep everything snug. I'll let the boards set up for a few hours, then it's time to take them out of the clamps. Sanding comes next in the process, and I'll start with a quick pass using 80 grit and then move up to 120 to smooth everything out. I use my cordless router to put a slight round over on all of the exterior edges of the pieces before assembly. Then I sand out any burning that may have occurred from the router bit. All of the treads and risers will be attached using pocket screws. So now is the time to drill out all those pocket holes. I'll make sure that there is an even reveal around the treads, and then it's time to start the assembly process by attaching all the treads first. After that, I do any final measuring between the bottom of one tread and the top of the other to ensure that the risers fit nice and snug. Then I'll add some glue and screw the risers in place. Once the bottom riser is in place, I will put a round over along the bottom edges and smooth it over with the Rotex. I add in a few spreaders in between the side panels to keep everything from moving around too much. And then measure, cut, and attach the back panel. Now it's time to make the grain pop using the pure natural oil finish by Rubio Monocoat. I use a generous amount of oil applied to a piece of white floor pad. and then wipe off any excess. Lastly, I attach a few rubber feet on the bottom of the stairs to prevent scratching any floors. So here it is, one custom set of dog stairs. Now these stairs were built to the client's specifications in order to match their existing bedroom set. I'm really happy with the way these turned out, and I know the client will be too. I built these stairs using 5/4 poplar, which I'm sure is a little overkill since the dog that will be using them is less than 10 pounds. And I could have saved on material costs by using plywood and finishing off with edge banding, but this was my first project back in the shop after my shoulder replacement surgery back in November. And it sort of served as a test to see where I'm at physically and mentally after being sidelined for a few months. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope that this quick project has inspired you to get out in the shop and build something. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, enter them down below. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification, that way you get notified when I put out a new video. If you want to see what's going on in between projects, please head on over and follow me on Instagram at 2BitWoodworks or on my website, 2BitWoodworks.com. As always, thanks for stopping by. Come back soon, and take care.